Hey you guys, welcome back. Nope. So, I'm playing Guesty. I haven't played this in a long time, and we're gonna play. And I just came in, and it is really creepy. And there are coins. Wow, it actually just started. Ice cream. So, I have watched people. It's kind of like school. It's a school. But I don't know where Guesty is. That's a black lock? What is this a purple? That doesn't look anything like purple. Well, when you're in the light, it does. Let's see. I got a yellow key. Guesty is stunned. Looks like it could be used to open a yellow lock. Wow, that helps so much. Ooh, a battery. Looks like it can be used on a camera. You guys are running. I don't know what. From what? Oh. I don't know anything. Well, I just can't. Okay, so used on a camera. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Is there any more keys? Ooh, there's... Okay, you can crawl. Oh, there's an orange key. I like it how they say what the people, like, did. It showed it. I said, oh my god, blue, this is dead end. Pink, you can't go in, and this is dead end. We shouldn't even be here. So pink room over there. Ooh, there's a note. He's going from place to place scared, but he can't express how he feels. PB. Peanut butter. Oh, red! I saw the red key. Where is it? Oh yeah, here. The red key has been opened by me. Okay, I found this lever. The swimming area. Where's the swimming area? Let me check. I haven't seen Guesty in a while. Here's the swimming. I heard him. Okay, this is the pool. Oh, okay, so the pool has been drained. The thing is, it tells you what they did. Oh my god! He literally said hi, and then he literally just scared me. Okay, just key card. So we need a key card for that. Oh wait, so it says what it is? Let me check.
Key card.
Okay, key card. Nothing.
Key card.
Wait, what? Okay, I got one. I max 150. There's nothing. Where is everything? I need a key card. Key card. I heard him. Oh, no, those are just his footsteps. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Where is everything? Okay, open the... Move! I hate these lockers. So the key card is the main thing? if it was just an if statement, how did things get out of hand? T. Okay, orange. I know, in the bathroom. Okay, here. Key card. I got the key card. Yes, we got it. We got the key card. Yes. What? The door's open, but we need the generator? What generator? Where's Guesty? I haven't seen him in such a... Oh my god, he's just saying hi. Okay, that note we read. So we read all about all the notes. Dude, there is nothing. Literally nothing. Key card. Oh my god, that noise he makes. I like it. The thing is, we need to go right here. Okay, so right here, there's a purple key. Purple key. I know where that goes. Upstairs. We need the blue key. Okay, upstairs. Upstairs. Can you please ask Tata? Sorry, my baby brother. Aha! Here's the blue. Blue. Ask Tata. Okay, we got the blue. We're gonna do this first try. Where's the blue again? Oh yeah, right here. Okay, I got pink now. Screwdriver. Oh, that's the generator. I got pink. What is the screwdriver? The exit has been opened. Oh, move. Aha! We completed chapter 1. Okay, school. So that was the school. That's me. Me right there. Who's that? Oh my god, bacon here. This is no time to be fooling around. I don't have the ninja animation. Dot. The bacon kid. Dot. Never mind, we need to call the police right now. I didn't see oh yeah. Let's see if we can make a call in the pizzeria. Welcome. I hope I escape. Oh. Yeah, here's pizzeria. Pizza. Papa Guesties. That's a bad idea. We shouldn't go here. Yep, they definitely flip over. What is he doing? He's chopping cheese. He's doing pepperoni. Oh my god, we're just sitting there. And no, we're dead. Papa Guesties. Doing the scenes. Oh my god, is he smacking the dough? How did he do that? He just smacked the dough and then boom, he just made a pizza. Bobby. Who's Bobby? Never mind. Innocence. Ice cream. No, that's the only one? What do you mean? I actually want to see 150 skins, 1,000, 1,000. This is just like Murder Mystery 2, except YouTube crates. Then, okay. Back. Where am I? I'm nowhere to be found. That's sad. I know I'm not really a real YouTuber. Yeah, you know what? Let's just play. Oh, we didn't even... What the heck just happened? Most of Robloxy was fine. Oh, so... Except him. Oh, so Roblox literally eliminated all the guests, and this happened. Won the guest, the last guest. Ooh, he got the knife. He's not. Oh, I want to be This is a bot round. Bot is really hard. Okay, so orange key lock. What else? What's in here? Nothing. Okay, where does Guesty spawn though? I like the key card. Key card. Key card. Why can't I move? Okay, there. Guesty has spawned. Guest 4110 has joined the game. What? Wait, what did you say? This guy just said guest 110 just joined the game. What do you mean? Okay, red lock. I think I know where that goes. Where is it? Where's the red lock? No. This was the red lock, right? Okay. Well, guys, that was Guesty in my inventory. Girl Guesty. Nope, I'm just a Guesty. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.